They say short girls make everything look cute, and that couldn't be more true. Swimming must be these kids' favourite class. Just look how excited they are. Look who just got caught red-handed causing trouble.
Good. Great.
Figure that from.
Courtney says you asked her for a three-way. I don't blame you, she's not.
This must be the most annoying punishment for a kid. No wonder he's mad.
I think it is. But she confirmed that Matt only Justin.
Oh dude, you've got some unique moves. Alright, let me join in.
No. No, Mango!
He must really be determined to win tomorrow's backstroke competition. Maybe the first step to flying is learning how to keep your balance.
How are you sleeping like that?
Office workers must be super jealous of that flexible back, right? That net's not going to stop Owage from pursuing his kung fu journey. He must have really been a real racer in his past life.
I was a fishing 60! What?
Try bringing your dog along when washing the car and see their hilarious reactions.
My animals are dumber than a box of rocks, but they're oh, he might make it. Maybe oh! He got in! Oh, look at Rocky living his best life.
Let's see. I've got to be the one to taste it first. Ah!
Buddy, are you Sharkoon again?
Yeah, see, that's what I'm worried about.
You just took it off yourself?
Dude, if you can't play, at least don't mix things up. That's pretty selfish. When you tell your dog you're busy, and this is how he plays by himself. A great way for lazy people to keep their dogs happy.
Let me get the angle of the.
Working overtime is tiring, huh, buddy? But don't worry, you'll be rewarded well.
Buddy, easy, Mike, you got this.
Man, cooking takes some serious skills. Not everyone can just step in the kitchen.
Oh, no, Benny.